Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my Buildzy review. In this review, I'll be showing you what Buildzy is, and also, most importantly, I'll be revealing the high quality custom bonuses that I'm giving away to ensure you get even better results and maximize your profits with Buildzy. This is my bonus page, and you'll find the link to this page in the description of this video. Buildzy launches on the 9th of January by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So, in a nutshell, this is a software in form of a WordPress plugin that allows you to create content filled websites. You'll be able to automatically generate content in form of news and videos. Then you can actually monetize this content for profits. You can monetize them with your affiliate link. You can monetize this with ads, and you can profit from affiliate offers from Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, or wherever it is you want to get product from. So we are going to go into this in a short while. But right now, I'm going to show you the custom bonuses that you're going to be getting in addition to Buildzy. If you choose to pick up Buildzy through my bonus page, which you're going to find the link in the description of this video. At the end of the day, you'll be able to create content filled websites, just like this one, that automatically rank on search engines. So all you need to do is go ahead, set this up, and it only takes about a minute or two, and then you can go ahead, populate this content in basically any niche you want, and this actually automatically generates traffic for you. So my first bonus is a cloud-based software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic in any niche from Instagram. You'll be able to connect multiple Instagram accounts, and then you can actually set this up. You can repost viral content from other Instagram users. You can copy trending hashtags. All you need to do is add your website link or your affiliate link in the bio of your Instagram account. One cool thing about this is it allows you to schedule your post, either images or videos. You can actually set this up, schedule your post to actually go out in the future. So your posts keep going out in days to come, weeks to come, and even months to come, depending on your settings. It only takes a few minutes, after which you can sit back, relax, and watch high quality traffic flow to your affiliate offers. As a matter of fact, you don't need any followers on your Instagram accounts to use this, because you would basically also be growing your account while driving traffic from Instagram. And that's my bonus number one. Bonus number two, you'll be getting access to another cloud-based software, which is a squeeze page builder. This allows you to build custom high-quality squeeze pages to promote affiliate offers. You'll be getting custom lead magnets you can actually offer and actually make people give you their emails. You're going to be building your list while promoting affiliate offers at the same time. Also, bonus number three, you'll be getting access to training that shows you how to make money on Fiverr. Buildzy actually comes in two options. That's the front end. You have the option of picking up the one site license or the 10 site license. This is a service you can actually offer on Fiverr and actually charge people $20 or even $50 for you to install this plugin on their website, because this is actually a money making plugin. You can set this up for them, and also they can use this to make money. So you can basically offer this as a service on Fiverr. So Buildzy come in form of a WordPress plugin, meaning you need to have a WordPress website in order to use Buildzy. Also, bonus number four, in case you have never created a website before, I'm going to show you using this training in this PDF training how to create your own WordPress website from scratch. So even if you have zero experience with website creation, you are going to find out how to set up your own WordPress website following this training right here. Also, bonus number 5, you'll be getting access to all the vendor bonuses, which actually include some plugins. You'll be getting access to all these bonuses also, in addition to my own bonuses. What you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the blue buttons on this page. If you click on any of these blue buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of Buildzy. This is where you'll be able to pick up the WordPress plugin, and here it says, attention all marketers, profitable site builder. New software builds beginner-friendly, 100% automated, profitable sites with free traffic in 90 seconds, filled with videos and news, even if you've never built a site before. So come check out this sales page in your own time to get full information about Buildzy. You also be getting a ton of information right here about Buildzy. So right now I'm just going to take you to the dashboard. This is a WordPress plugin. So once you install this plugin, you are going to have something like this. You're going to have it right here, and you actually, if you go to manage campaigns, so you have 3 different sources you can actually fetch content from news, from RSS, from video. All you need to do is click on add new campaign right here to get started. Very important, you need to customize your settings first. So if you go to Buildzy, you go to settings, you can actually customize, set this up, and then you can come here, click on create campaign, then select the type of content you want to create, either news, API, RSS, or videos. Now you can also select category you want to add post. These are categories you have created in your WordPress installation. And also you can select your news API source. As you can see, there are different, there's a ton of sources you can actually fetch news from. And also you can add this based on country. You can add a keyword here. So this allows you to actually set up niche based content on your website, as you can actually fetch content in any niche to promote any kind of affiliate offer. And then you can actually link out you can actually link out content from your website to affiliate offers and ultimately make money with this. You'll also be able to add your own banners that can actually also serve as a promotion that goes to any other affiliate offers. So that's how easy it is to use Buildzy. Now I'm going to take you to the pricing to show you the pricing and also the optional upgrades. The front end goes for $17. That's for the 1 site license, and there's a 10 site license also that goes for $29. And the front end actually gives you access to all these features: complete automated money making site, promoting affiliate products, and profiting with banner ads. You get thousands of new posts automatically, adding fresh content to your site as often as you like, from once every 24 hours to even every 5 minutes. So this has all these features. The first optional upgrade is the Buildzy Pro that goes for $37, and this gives you access to put this on unlimited sites, because the front end actually allows up to 10 sites, extra content sources, that's 20 RSS feeds, commercial rights, create and sell sites to clients on platforms like Flipper. Also, OTO2 is the Buildzy Premium that goes for $47, and this also gives you access to some features like browser push notifications, You also get 5 additional WordPress themes. You get the playlist player. This gives you access to all these features. The third optional upgrade is the Buildzy done for you. This goes for $67, and this allows the Buildzy team, to actually set up 10 websites for you, and the sites will be complete with content. You also get 2 additional premium WordPress themes and essential plugins. The final upgrade is the Buildzy white label. This goes for 247, and there are actually 2 options. The 50 accounts goes for 147. The unlimited account goes for 247, and this gives you access to full white label rights. You get to upload your logo, your brand, your custom domain, and so on. You'll be able to sell this as your own software, and this also allows you to start your own beauty software agency, and you get to keep all the profits and much more. So that's going to be my review for Buildzy. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and I'll see you in the next.